Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do percents, fractions, and decimals. And that equals, as you see here, I'm going to do this math question that I have. Mine is 5, and we're going to do a fraction, so we're going to do 5 and 10 in a fraction. And that will equal, if you have a calculator, 0.5. And then, if it doesn't say to times it by the answer that the number says on the screen, you're going to times that by 100. And your answer would be 50.
Chris, your sister's here.
But if you have this, a different question, the exact same thing, which is 5, do the same thing. And then it's gonna equal 0.5. But this time you're going to times it by the number, which I have 41. And that equals
If I'm married to you, what would never happen if you die,
this.
I'm a widow.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Subscribe and press the bell to get notified when we post. Bye!